dance, I love to sing. I'm here with my garden today. Hi, I'm here with my fairy garden, and today we're going to build a fairy garden together. Isn't that lovely? Now, the first thing I've done is I've poured some water on my soil. If you can see here, it's all nice and wet. Some nice damp soil here. And now we're going to use our garden tools to break it up. Oh, look at that. Nice, healthy brown soil for our flowers to grow and our fairy to live. And the other one, there. Nice broken up soil for our fairy garden. Now the next thing we can do is add some decorations to our fairy garden. And I've got here, it's a little riverbed. See there? How about we put it right here in our garden? That's looking lovely. And we've also got a little bridge so our fairy friends can cross from one side of the garden to the other. We'll put that right here. And a little teacup that is actually our fairy's home. Do you see? Little door that opens and closes. And why don't we put that in our garden right here? Open the door so our fairy can come home. All right. Oh, our garden is looking lovely. Now, oh, I found a little friend, little squirrel. Should we put him? Maybe we'll put him right on the edge of our garden, right here. Oh, maybe on the bridge. There you go, little friend. He wants to sleep. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is add some seeds to our garden so we can grow some beautiful flowers. We'll open up the packet, and should we take a look at what's inside? Yeah. You can see here, I've got my seeds. I'm just going to sprinkle them in the garden, here and here. Okay, and we're going to till the soil. Seeds are nice and buried in there. Now, what do you think our fairy garden is missing? We've got our fairy home. We've got a leaf waterfall. We can pour some water on it and it will water our plants and they'll grow nicely. We've got a riverbed and a bridge and a squirrel friend. What are we missing? You're right, fairies. We haven't put a fairy in our garden yet. Look over here, look over there. Fairies dancing with flowers in her hair. And look over here, look over there. Fairies dancing everywhere. Now here's our little friend. Should we put her in the garden? Oh yes, let's put her right here. Maybe she can dance on a leaf. Oh, lovely. Now, our fairy friend needs a name, doesn't she? Do you have an idea for a name for our fairy friend? Maybe you can tell us in the comments below. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thank you for joining me today to build this fairy garden. I'm so happy to see you and have a beautiful day.